Welcome to the Henri and Khloe show. Today we are going to be shooting a high-powered UZI airsoft gun, and my dad lost a bet, so I'm gonna shoot him. Do not try this at home. And first we're gonna shoot it at a cardboard box to see how powerful it is.
Okay, let's see. Hold on. What are you shooting? Okay, you're shooting
that box. You ready?
Wait, hold on.
Wait, I think it's on safety. Hold on.
Oh.
Oops. That was funny. Alright, we ready? Yeah. Okay.
Let's go see
So let's see
the box.
what damage it did. From here, we did already shoot it. Some of that was from the last time we shot it.
That's
But we just showed you how powerful it is on camera.
And then there's beetle over right here.
Yeah, there's some beads.
alright, cool. Alright.
Okay, so now we're gonna shoot my dad.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, and I'm gonna go further for this one.
Henry, shoot one at a time.
Okay, go ahead. Go fast.
Okay.
Oh, that does hurt.
My turn!
I bet. It hurt? It sounded like it tickled.
No, it hurt. You want to try it?
No.
Now it's my turn.
It felt like I was getting a bunch of needles in my back.
Yeesh. Now I'm going to be shooting Daddy.
Oh boy.
Alright, come on. Hopefully you have better aim than your brother.
What?
Hey, wait till I get over it, okay? Keep your hand up.
Like that? Like that?
Okay? Wait.
Dog toy alert! I don't even know what I said.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
Crazy.
Nail me.
Who hit you more?
I think Chloe did.
Well, she rapid fired.
Well, yeah, that's the news that you're supposed to. Oh my gosh, she like pegged the crap out of me. Oh, wait, what did you do that to me?
So should we try this at home?
No.
Is it mommy's turn now?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
No way. Mom's not that crazy.
She's gonna have to run.
I have a brain.
Yellow brain.